Understanding the phrase fits the bill, simplifying English idioms. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English idioms. In this video, we're focusing on the phrase fits the bill. If you've ever been puzzled by what this means or how to use it in conversation, you're in the right place. The phrase fits the bill is an idiom used to describe something or someone that is suitable or ideal for a particular purpose. Think of it like finding a piece that perfectly completes a puzzle. It's all about finding that perfect match for a situation or need. Understanding where idioms come from can make them easier to remember. The term fits the bill is believed to have originated from theatrical slang in the 19th century. Back then, a bill was a schedule of performances. If an act fit the bill, it was suitable for a particular show. Today, we use it in a broader context. Let's look at some examples. 1. We need a new sofa that's comfortable and stylish. This one fits the bill perfectly. 2. They were looking for an experienced graphic designer, and Maria fit the bill. In these sentences, the phrase is used to show suitability or an ideal match in different contexts. Be careful not to confuse fits the bill with similar sounding phrases that have different meanings. For instance, foot the bill means to pay for something, which is entirely different. Now, let's practice. Try to create your own sentences using fits the bill. Share them in the comments and I'll give you feedback. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of fits the bill. Remember, learning idioms can be fun and helps make your English sound more natural. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher. See you in the next one.